Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to help you produce amazing artwork. Today I've had a request to draw a chinchilla, so that's what we're going to be learning how to draw. So you're going to need some plain white paper, a pencil, an eraser and a black pen. And remember, if you're a fan of drawing animals, don't forget to download my free PDF of how to draw a horse, which you'll find the link just up here. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with doing a large circle right in the middle of the page. So I'm drawing dots here at the top and at the sides just to get the dimensions of the circle right. Then I'm joining them all up to make a kind of wonky circle shape, but it doesn't matter because we're going to rub out this line anyway. It's just a guideline. So remember to do this lightly. Now, next we're going to be doing the chinchilla head, which is an oval shape. So bring it round. Remember, if you need to stop the video at any point just to catch up, please do. Now we're going to be doing the tail. So do a large curly line. And for the leg, just draw a horizontal line across. Now we're going to be doing the ear, so that's a smaller circle cutting through this oval shape that we did before. Just draw a small circle, just like so. Now from about the middle of the circle edge, just draw a line coming down to touch the edge of the other circle, and for the chin, join up those shapes. Now all that's left is the little arm. Now we're going to be doing the eye, so just draw a little circle and then two little triangles on either side of the circle, just like that. Now we're going to be making the ear look a little bit more realistic, so draw a line coming round for the outer part of the ear, and then just draw the inner parts, and then another line to draw the outer part of the ear. Now for the little nose. And the mouth, and then a little rectangle to show reflected light and colour it in. And we're just going to draw the other ear, what you can see of it. Just draw a shape coming around the back, just like that. I'm just going to make the ears look a little bit more realistic because they're not entirely round. And then I'm just going to draw more of a mouth. Now I'm going to be using pen to go over the outline of the chinchilla, but please feel free to carry on using pencil and then you can rub out the rest when you've finished. So I'm just going around the outline of the ears. I'm going to make it look a little bit more realistic now. So those shapes that we did earlier, they're just going to be guidelines. So I'm going to do the little nose, come round. And then I'm going to follow this oval shape part the way around, but not the whole way around. Now here I'm doing like a fluffy little furry chest with lots of little pen strokes, and then the arm. Again, I'm doing lots of little pen strokes at the bottom of the arm. Now we're going to be doing the hind leg. So just bring it round. And then bring it round in the little toes. And then some more little brush strokes down here because these areas are really furry. I'm going to follow it round all the way around the tail. I'm going to do a nice little bushy tail here, so some big pen strokes. Bring it round till it hits the circle shape. And then now for the back, just follow it round. Just going to do a few little lines. And then now for the eye. So colour this in apart from the little rectangle shape that we left. a few dots, and we're going to add some whiskers. And some on the other side. So that's the finished little chinchilla. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.